OpenAI's GPT-5.6 page opens with work in the physical world, a grower in a greenhouse, a laptop in the field, and handwritten labels pointing to the task. That framing matters. This is a family called Luna, Terra, and Sol, built around one question. How much intelligence, time, and parallelism does this job deserve? Luna is the fast, low-cost lane. Terra is the everyday balance. Sol is the flagship for hard professional work. OpenAI claims more useful work per dollar, often with fewer tokens or less time. Those are launch comparisons, not a guarantee for your workload. Choosing a model now looks more like routing work than picking one default. The second control is effort. Max spends longer exploring, checking, and revising. Ultra coordinates 4 agents in parallel by default. The Responses API also gets a multi-agent beta, so there are 3 levers: model tier, reasoning effort, and whether a difficult task deserves a small team. The interesting part is what that capability produces. Programmatic tool calling runs small programs that coordinate tools and filter intermediate results. Stronger computer use lets GPT-5.6 inspect what it built. OpenAI's examples include this playable sailing game and an interactive spirograph. These are rendered artifacts you can operate and evaluate. Independent testing adds a reality check. CodeRabbit gave the models more than 100 repository tasks across 5 languages. Sol passed 63.7%. Terra passed 40.7%, while averaging far more output tokens. Their point is not that Terra is bad. It is that cheaper tokens do not guarantee a cheaper solved task. On long runs, follow-through can dominate list price. Developer Simon Willison tested one Pelican prompt across GPT 5.6 models and effort settings. The least expensive run cost 0.71 cents. The most expensive cost 48.55 cents. That is nearly a 70-fold swing before judging the result. The price table is only a starting point. Settings and retries determine the bill. Keep 2 boundaries visible. OpenAI says its cost and latency comparisons are simulated and real-world results may vary substantially. The system card also reports more cases of going beyond user intent than GPT 5.5 in agentic coding tests, although absolute rates stayed low. More capable agents make permissions, checkpoints, and review more important. GPT 5.6 is available across ChatGPT, Codex, and the API. Per million API tokens, Luna is $1 in and 6 out. Terra is $2.50 and 15. Sol is 5 and 30. The prices do not choose the workflow for you. A short classification job and a multi-file implementation should not get the same model, effort, or supervision. The AIMH test is simple. Give one real task to Luna, Terra, and Sol. Track total cost, time, retries, and cleanup. Compare the finished artifact, not just the first answer. GPT 5.6's value will be decided by which tier reliably earns each kind of work.